Hi, Jess. Tita Heidi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nak. Ito yung dalawang apo ko. This is Mati and Bimbi. Did
Say
you say?
hi.
Say happy
Happy
birthday to
birthday.
Tito Jess.
Happy birthday!
Tito.
Oh, let's sing, let's sing.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Kuya Jess, in behalf of everybody here, si Kuya Richard, nasa work. Si Kuya Dennis, nasa trabaho din. Si Ate Sharon, nagpapagaling dahil na-operate sa breast, pero she's okay now.
I-pray mo lang, Nak. Ang Sharon, alam ko na lahat tayo malakas kay Lord. Okay? Oh, say hi to Kuya Jessning.
Kaya in behalf also sa aking husband, kaya ka namin napiling ninong kasi you're the best, at saka si Ate Flora.
Teka. Jess, si Lalisa darating dito sa 26. Magbibideo din kami para makita mo si Lisa, okay?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday and Merry Christmas, anak.
Merry Christmas!
Kahit-
Have a good health!
Kahit nawala ang tamponcheng, andito pa rin yung mga pinsan mo. Mawala man ako, nandito pa rin sila, okay? Thank you. Happy birthday ulit. Love you. Flora, hindi ka nagbabago. Mahal na mahal kita. Sige, si Sharon naman.
Mami, ayaw.
Neng.
Hi, Kuya Jess. Happy birthday. Ingat na lang dyan.
Kuha ba?
Take care always! God bless you and your family! Happy birthday!